Okay guys, so in this tutorial we're going to be looking at JavaScript loop. What are loops in JavaScript? A loop is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is met in computer programming. So if you want to repeat a certain task multiple times, for a particular number of times, use loops. So let's bump into the code, but I've done the stuff and I've included the JavaScript. So, and we are going to be using the console. So loop, the for and while loop. Okay. So to repeat, if I want to repeat something for a particular number of time, I can either use for or while loop. So the for loop. So the for loop takes in, let's write the for loop like this. I'm still going to talk more about for loop in the next tutorial, and while loop in the next two tutorial. Let I equal to 0, then I is less than the total number of times that I want to execute, let's say 9, then I plus plus. We are going to increment it. So then I'm going to say console dot log. So what do I want to log? I want to log hello world. Save, and let's go check it out in the console. I'm going to open the console, Ctrl Shift K, reload it. So the reason why it's doing like this is it has executed it 9 times, but let me do something. So I'm going to put a line break to it, a line break, so that it's going to execute it in the next line. Okay. Okay, there's something I should do instead of that. And let me show you that this I is an integer. As I said before in previous tutorial, this I is an integer. So as you can see, hello world 7. Okay, let me remove the line break. And I see that it broke the line to the next level, to the next line. It break it to the next line, and it is also 0 index. It will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let me reload it again. So hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world 9 times. So that is for loop. Okay, what is now while loop? Let me just comment this. So how do we use while loop? To use while loop, you have to be first of all initialize the increment here, and we're going to call the while loop while I is less than 9. While I is still less than 9, then console.log. Let me just copy this. And console.log hello world second time. So, and if we should omit the last thing here, but we are not going to omit that in this tutorial. We are going to do that in the next tutorial. We are going to say I plus plus. So let's go and let's just reload it. As you can see, it was executed 9 times. Hello world second time. Okay, so these are just loop. These are loops. So these are loop. If you want to execute something for a number of times, so you use loops, either for or while loop.